Alright guys, so we just ran the 0 to 60s twice. But before we get that, please like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get right into it. So hopefully you guys can hear me. We're gonna go out and pick up some pizzas to eat for dinner, and hopefully get a 0 to 60 time in on the MGB. You know, why not? Day one of officially driving it to work and all that, and yeah, let's see what this thing can do. Not too optimistic at all. Hoping for high teens, I guess, but we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so there you have it. The race stickers say it all. Did a 0 to 60 in 19.9 seconds. Pretty atrocious, but I revved it out a little more. I never hit redline once, but I did granny shift it too, as you can hear. You get some wheel spin on the last one, and that was the one that I ran, the 19.9. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I was just kind of seeing what the Bee is capable of after being parked for 30 years, and I had no idea what to expect. It's really slow car, but it's still a ton of fun. Get lots of looks out there, even with the interior and the condition it is. Generally, the tonneau covers up, but I get more looks and thumbs up when my big dog is sitting in there with me. But if you guys like this video, please drop a thumb and like it and subscribe. All right, guys, until next time.